Check this out. What we got here is a Toyota RAV4 2021 installed with the Cat 2 Immobiliser. So this is the Cat 2 Cobra touch immobilizer system. So you need to touch the tag in the allocated position that allows you to disarm the system and drive the vehicle. So in the event a thief copies or clones your key, they will not be able to drive it because they will not have the tag with them to disarm the system. So as you can see, if I try and start the car, it does not say ready at the bottom and the vehicle will not turn on. It is fully immobilized. So what you do, you have to touch the tag in the allocated position, which is here on this one. So as you can see, you touch it, the system is now disarmed, and now you're able to start the car. It says ready at the bottom. So if you want this installed on yours, the Cobra Cat 2 Immobiliser system is insurance approved, give us a shout.